In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone. As of recording this video, Fortnite isn't available to download from the App Store, so we need to find alternative methods to play Fortnite. In this case, we are going to be using Xbox Cloud Gaming. To do this, the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, which I'll leave a link to in the description of this video. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to find Fortnite and click into that. And once you're on the Fortnite Cloud Gaming page, you want to click on Get Ready to Play. From here, it's going to prompt you to add this to your home screen, so you want to follow the instructions as it says on screen. So you want to click on the share button in the middle of the screen, and this is going to bring up the menu, so you want to push this up again, and then you want to scroll down and you want to find where it says add to home screen and click onto that. From here, you can rename it whatever you want, and once you're ready, you want to click on add. Now, as you can see, the Xbox Cloud Gaming app has been added to our home screen. So if we click into it, it's going to load and it will take us into the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, which we just accessed. Now we've done this, we can scroll down and we can click on Fortnite yet again. And then here it's going to prompt us to sign into our Xbox Microsoft account. So you want to click on sign in, and then you want to go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you want to click on create one just underneath. Once you've signed in, the page will reload, and all we need to do now is click on the green play button. As you can see, we are now loaded into Fortnite, and if we rotate our phone, we can play Fortnite in full screen just as we normally would. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into Fortnite and we can start playing it just as we normally would. When you play Fortnite for the first time, it may ask you what controls you want to use, and as a bonus tip, I do recommend connecting the controller to your iPhone. In this case, I'm going to use dedicated on-screen buttons. Now we've selected our controls options, if we click on play, we can start searching for a game and start playing Fortnite just as we normally would. If this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.